Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Tiana Michelle here. So today I'm here to give you some cleaning motivation. Today we're going to be cleaning the girls' room, the dining room, and the kitchen. So stay tuned for the cleaning video. So we are starting out in the girls' bedroom upstairs. I wanted to have this room clean because this month in November would have been my daughter's 17th birthday. Sadly, she passed away August 4th of last year. So I wanted to have this room cleaned up for this month of her birthday, and hopefully we can keep it clean. So I did not realize how many things the toddlers had stuffed under both beds. I did realize that they had taken the obituaries out of the picture frame, so that's what I was digging for under the beds, and then I had to piece them back together.
Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.
So now I'm just sorting through the baskets of clothes and putting them in their respective bins. My mom came over to help me go through the clothes. We got rid of a lot of clothes that Trinity couldn't wear. So that's what you see me doing now, sorting out the clothes and putting them into a bin. Alright, so now we're moving into the dining room, and as you can see, I still have my Halloween decor up, but we're going to take this all down and we're going to get it ready for Christmas. That video should be coming up soon, but now I'm just taking down the Halloween decorations If you want to see our Halloween party vlog, you can tune in to my vlog channel and I will leave it linked up above. I would like to just take a minute to introduce myself. My name is Tiana. I am a full-time working mother and wife. On my channel, I like to post DIY, room decor, room organization, and cleaning videos. If you like any of that type of content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and leave a comment down below to introduce yourself.
You can try, but you can hide it from me. You think it's secret, but it's easy to see. I already know what's on your mind. Nobody wants to be alone, so get on board and have some fun. And what will happen when we're gone? It doesn't matter anymore, 'cause
going to be moving into the kitchen. The kitchen is one of the hardest rooms to keep clean because we're constantly in here. Between the kitchen and the dining room, I try to keep both rooms clean, but they are hard to keep clean. But
whatever can be found, 'cause I've given in to all my demons lately. You know, might be easier just to let it go. Cut the cable short and the problem solved. Might be easier for you. I do it all night. You're my only lifeline. Talk to me, baby. I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on fading in all these photos, caught in the memories and captured in the highlights. Just keep on wasting. Might be easier just to let it go. Cut the cable short and the problem solved. Might be easier for you. I do it all night. You're my only lifeline.
and that is going to be all for this video. I hope it gave you a little bit of cleaning motivation. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on the next video.